Here's a little frog that was in the bluebird house. Look at the pretty legs on it. Oh wow, that is gorgeous. Wow, and that is truly a frog. That is not a toad. You can see the sucker feet and everything. So somebody from the earlier class was asking, where are the frogs? Well, the answer is the frog is in the bluebird house. That's where it is. That's why you can't find the frog. Okay, I'm going to let this thing go, so let's see what happens next. Looking around, thinking about what needs to happen. Okay, thinking about jumping. Sprawling.
Give him a nudge.
How about over to here? How about that? Oh yeah. Oh, sprawling. There it is. Cool. Cute. Cute. Well, I can't seem to focus. There we go. Cute.